Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some ways to make money online in 2023. Are you looking for ways to earn some extra income from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. Here are some of the most popular and profitable ways to make money online this year. Freelance work. If you have skills in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. Simply create a portfolio, bid on projects, and set your own rates. E-commerce. Want to start your own online store? E-commerce is a great way to sell products online. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy to set up your store and start selling. Choose from physical products, digital products, or both. The key to success in e-commerce is finding a niche, sourcing products, and effectively marketing your store. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Promote products through your blog, social media accounts, or any other online presence you have. Choose products that align with your interests and audience and use effective marketing techniques to promote them. Online courses and tutorials. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Kajabi make it easy to get started and reach a large audience. The key to success in this space is creating high-quality content that provides real value to your students and effectively marketing your courses. Content creation, such as YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or blog articles, can be a great way to monetize your online presence. Monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Find a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, create high-quality content consistently, and build an engaged audience. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and focus groups and get paid for your opinions. Sign up for websites such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, or Vindale Research to get started. Virtual events. With the rise of remote work and online events, there's a growing demand for virtual event planners, hosts, and entertainers. Offer your services to plan, host, and entertain virtual events such as weddings, conferences, or live streams. To be successful, have strong organizational and interpersonal skills and experience with virtual event platforms. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Simply find a niche, source products, and set up an online store through platforms like Shopify. The key to success in dropshipping is finding a profitable niche, sourcing high-quality products, and effectively marketing your store. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online. Find the methods that work best for you based on your skills, interests, and target audience. So, that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.